Good morning, children. Welcome to all this SST class. Dear children, today we will learn about a new chapter, chapter 11, and the topic name is festivals. In this chapter, children, we will discuss about different types of festivals. Children, you know, festivals are two types: religious festivals and national festivals. What is religious festivals? Those festivals the people of different region celebrate. But what is national festival? This festival whole the India people, whole the nation celebrate together. Okay. So first we will discuss about religious festivals. Okay. So first one is Diwali. Children, Diwali is a festival of Hindus. Hindus celebrate this Diwali festival. It is called the festival of light. Why? Because we decorate our house with diyas, candles, okay, different types of lights. So it is known as Festival of Lights. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi on this day. They decorate their houses with diyas and lamps. They give sweets and gifts to their friends and relatives. Some people burst firecrackers. The next festival is Eid. Eid is festival of Muslim. It is celebrated at the end of month of fasting. So, in Eid, during the Eid, whole 1 month Muslim people have fasting. The month of fasting is called Ramzan. That month is known as Ramzan. The people and their fast on seeing the new moon. On Eid, people greet each other Eid Mubarak. They offer special prayers at mosque. A special dish called Siwai is made. Then comes to next festival, that is Christmas. So first we discuss about Hindus festival, then Muslim festival, and this is Christmas means Christians festivals. Christmas is the festival of Christians. It is celebrated every year on 25th December. Why we celebrate Christmas on this special day? Why? Because it was the day Jesus Christ was born. Means it was the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. On Christmas day, people go to church. They decorate their homes with Christmas trees. They make cakes and cookies. Okay. Then comes to next religious festival, Guru Parab. Guru Parab is the festival of Sikhs. Okay, Sikhs also a different religion people. It is celebrated in honor of the 10 Sikh Gurus. People pray at Gurudwaras. Processions are taken out. A community fast called Langar, feast called Langar is served to people or served to all. People read the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikh. Okay, children, you know, Sikh's holy book is known as Guru Granth Sahib, and Christmas means Christians holy book is known as Bible. Hindus holy book is known as Bhagavad Gita, and Muslim holy book is known as Quran. Okay, so different religions have different their holy book, and their different types of they celebrate their festivals. Okay, then comes to national festivals. Okay, we celebrate 3 national festivals. They are celebrated by the whole nations. Let us learn about our national festivals. Children, we know we celebrate national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so first of all we discuss about Independence Day. Our Independence Day is on 15th August. On this day, India won its freedom from the British rule. That's why we celebrate that day as Independence Day. It is celebrated every year in every village, town and city of India, means everywhere we celebrate Independence Day. In Delhi, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort on this day. Celebrations are also held in the state capitals. State capitals means, children, our state name is what? Orissa, and Orissa capital is Bhubaneswar. Okay, like this every state's capital celebrate the Independence Day. On this day, pay rich tributes to all the great leaders who fought for our freedom. Then comes to Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day all over India every year. A grand parade takes place in Delhi on this day. The president comes to India Gate and takes salute from the soldiers of the army, navy and air force. Tableaus from different states pass through Rajpath. Boys and girls of different schools also take part in the processions. Okay. The parade ends at the Red Fort. In the end, there is a colorful fly past by the aeroplanes of the Indian Air Force. Then Gandhi Jayanti. Another important national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2 October, means 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, was born on this day. So the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, and he also known as the father of the nation. Gandhiji led our nation in our fight for freedom from the British rule. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year at Rajghat in New Delhi. So children, this is about your festivals, means religious or national festivals. 2 types of festivals we discussed. You children read this chapter properly and also learn why we celebrate that special festivals and how we decorate our houses, and national festivals means date you should remember. Okay children, thank you.